The way things glow. Chemtrails covering the horizon. Try to get it in here. It's right in there too. All that coverage right in there too. This looks like a chemical sunset today. It's like a fire over there. Once again, it looks like we have what's known as multiple light sources. It's that whole area out in there. All that. Yeah, you can see it back out in there again too. The way the chemtrails spread. God, that is intense out there, people. Dayton skyline over there. I believe right now we're about May 23rd. It's about 8:45 p.m. Wanted to capture this all for you today. I heard about a sun simulator. Look at that giant honeycomb up in the sky. It's got a shit ton of light bulbs and it's bright as hell. Just all that pinkish out in there. Got a volcano horizon. There's our volcano right there. Volcano horizon west. And you can see, God, there's lines in there. These reflections. The way things reflect in chemicals. Looking into the volcano horizon.